How can you install JoinMe? First, let's see what JoinMe is. JoinMe includes audio and video conferencing by phone or internet, so you can see and hear anything in real time. Share your screen with participants while using audio and video at the same time. You can zoom in and see the details of every discussion, even on your phone. Whether at home, at the airport, in the coffee shop, everyone can join the conversation with JoinMe. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Google Play, so open Google Play. On the search above, write join.me. Now, tap on the search. After you have found the app, just tap on install and wait. You have now installed JoinMe app on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on open. Now, let's tap on continue 2 times. Tap on let's start. On this, you will be able to join a meeting or host a meeting. In the description, I will put links to all of the actions you can take on this page. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.